Yes, good afternoon, officers. Time for today's flash program, 10 minutes quant practice and reasoning practice. So today's topic is rankings. Definitely these questions will 100% come in UPSC paper. So let's solve real-time PYQ questions. First, in a row of girls, Kamya is 9th from left and Veena is 16th from right. If they interchange their positions, Kamya becomes 25th from left. And how many girls are there in the row? So whenever such kind of questions come, pick one common person and check their position from left and right, okay, and subtract 1. So whenever you want total number of people, always remember this. Total is equal to position from left plus position from right minus 1. This is the basic formula that you have to use for solving such kind of questions. Now here what is happening? We know that Veena is 16th from right. Now, so Veena will be, since interchanging of place have taken, from right she is in 16th position. Now she is coming and sitting in Kamya's position. Therefore, Veena's position will be 25th from left. Therefore, total number of audience or people in the row is 16 plus 25 minus 1, which is 40. Therefore, how many girls are there? 40 girls are there. This is a common most problems which are given in ranking problems. Directly use this formula. Total is equal to position of the person from right, position of the person from left, minus 1. As simple as this. The next question is, a person is 14th from the right end. From the right he is at 14th end in a row of 40 people. So what is the position from the left end? So when such kind of questions come, simple. Total 40 people are there. 40 total people. 14th from right end. So from right, 14 position. Total 40. Therefore remaining are 14. Which is how much? 26. But positions are counted from left 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Therefore add one extra one. So answer is 27th position. As simple as this. So whenever such kind of questions come, total minus position plus 1. Use this formula for solving such kind of questions. Another similar question. In a class of 50 students, Arjun is ranked 14 from top. So from top he is 14. So he is rank number 14 from top. Okay. Now what is his rank from the bottom? Total how many students? 50 students. So the rank will be 50. From here he has to count. So simple, 50 minus 14, which is 36. Now counting starts from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore 50 minus 14, if you do it, 50 minus 14, what will you do? You will start counting from 49. That is a problem. Therefore 36, one extra position should be added, plus 1, which is same thing, total minus position plus 1. Use this formula and get the answer. So as simple as this, you can solve, and these ranking questions are guaranteed questions that you get in all UPSC exams. And if you observe, all these questions are UPSC based questions only. UPSC 2021, they ask this question. UPSC 2020, they ask this question. And UPSC 2022, they ask this question. So every year, one question from ranking. Very easy, only single thing. If two people are given, position from right, position from left, minus 1. Single person is given, total minus position plus 1. Do this, you'll be able to solve the questions. So it's a short and cute video and definite marks. So that's all for today. Shamanth Pydikondala signing off. Bye-bye.